Ponder this question. What if we are all diamonds in the rough, just waiting for the right process to reveal our true potential? Welcome to the ultimate resource for individuals seeking a detailed plan to carve their path to success, Global Excess Funds. We, at Global Excess Funds, believe that success isn't an accident. It's a result of meticulous planning, strategic actions, and the cultivation of a mindset that sees possibilities rather than limitations. That's why we have developed a comprehensive guide, offering you invaluable insights, tools, and resources to help you embark on your journey toward success. So, how does one start this journey? First, understand your goals. Define what success means to you. It's not always about wealth or fame. Sometimes it's about personal growth, happiness, or making a difference in the world. Next, create a plan. Break down your goals into manageable steps. Each small victory will not only bring you closer to your ultimate goal, but will also fuel your motivation to keep going. Then, cultivate a mindset of growth. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning. View failure not as a setback, but as a stepping stone towards your success. Following this, surround yourself with positivity. Your environment greatly influences your mindset. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and situations that motivate you. Lastly, never stop learning. The world is constantly changing, and so should you. Always seek opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. Now it's your turn to take that step. Start defining your goals, make your plan, cultivate that growth mindset, surround yourself with positivity, and keep learning. Unleash your potential, achieve success, create a purpose-driven life. Take advantage of our transformative programs and personalized guidance at Global Excess Funds, because the world needs the brilliance that lies within you. So take that first step today. You've got this.